I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Guess what? Okay. Guess what today is? Why is it looking foggy lately? Hang on. I think it's because the sun's over there and it's peeking through. But hi, Mr. Sunshine. How you doing, Mr. Sunshine? Good morning. The dogs woke me up about 6:15. Give you one guess which one that is. Mr. Stressed that I'm home and not left the house. Anyway, but I ain't leaving because it's my birthday. My birthday. I'm the big 5'4". I'm pretty sure. Ziggy, what is 2026 minus 1972?
The result is 54.
That's what I thought. 54. My sister, she called me this morning on her drive home from her gym. She said that she was arguing with her doctor. She had a new visit with a new doctor. And she was arguing, telling the doctor she was 58. It was before her birthday. And her doctor's like, honey, I'm looking at your chart. You're 57. She's like, no, I'm 58. So she went home and she ended up, trying to figure it out. Calling her friend who's like 1 year and a day younger than her or something like that. And her friend, she said, how old am I? Her friend's like, you're 57. She's like, huh. And I told her, I said, Mom used to fuss at Dad because Dad would say that he was older than his birthday. And it's like he would start, I don't know, in the summer saying that he was 1 year older than what he was. And so, hang on. Big boy decided to climb up here. And he tangled up in my blanket. Anyway, so Dad would go like 6 months and tell everybody he was a year older than he was. And so I told Missy, I was like, well, Dad used to do that. She's like, I said, maybe. And she's like, oh, she said, I wonder if I was thinking I'm going to be 58. So I just started saying 58. I'm like, I don't know, girl, but yeah. So anyway, so I'm 54. She's 58. And the oldest is gonna be 61. Yeah. So, but it's my birthday. My birthday. So what do I have planned today? Absolutely nothing but one thing. Going out to eat. This is not going to be a calorie tracking day. My bestie and I were going to go down to a place called Lambert's Cafe. It's where they throw the rolls and you make your order of your food. Look up Lambert's. It's amazing. We go to the one in Sykeston because that's like 45 minutes, maybe about 30 minutes from us. So you go in, you make your order, and then your drink comes in these big old, it's probably holds this much water, but it's like short and squatty, about like that, and a big old round thing. Anyway, I always get water or whatever you drink. But anyway, so you get that. And then they start walking around. And there's people walking around with fried okra, macaroni and tomatoes. And then there'll be some fried potatoes, some black-eyed peas. Hang on just a second. Hey, Ziggy, what are the pass-arounds at Lambert's Cafe in Sykeston? And rolls. They throw the rolls at you.
Lambert's Cafe in Sykeston is famous for its pass-arounds, a variety of Southern-style side dishes served family-style. These include fried okra, black-eyed peas, macaroni and tomatoes, fried potatoes, and hot rolls with sorghum or apple butter.
Thank you, Ziggy. So, yeah, they have fried...
You're welcome, Terry.
Rolls.
Happy to help with the Lambert's info.
They have rolls, and then somebody will come around. There's always like a big old basket of like those little individual butters at the table. And somebody will, I think there's honey on the table maybe. And then somebody walks around with hot sorghum. And so they pour it over you. If you don't know what sorghum is, it's like syrup, only less, I don't know, but thicker. Anyway, so, and then whatever you order, it's enough for like 5 meals. Because they have, their prices are pretty hefty. But they do that because, you get so much sides and pass-arounds. But I'll show you, don't you worry. But that's my only plan for the day. And loving on any baby that crawls in my lap. So, yes, that's my plans today. Just eating at Lambert's and I'm playing my video game. I already watched one of y'all's videos. So, hey, if you have a YouTube channel, put the name, at least the name or some kind of something in my video down in the conversation. I love finding out who all has a channel because I've learned from all of you guys. I am not able to watch as much YouTube as I used to, but definitely I watch when I can. So you guys, if you have a channel, please put it down in the comments of this video. I love y'all, and I'll see you at whenever time Angie wakes up and tells me we're gonna go eat. Hey, I want to say, those coffees or those teas that y'all sent me, I'm still nauseated in the mornings, and so I have been sipping. Where does this come from? I've been sipping on my teas that y'all sent me, and I just want to say, I know y'all sent them a while ago. I don't drink a lot of tea very often. I've been drinking them before bed, and I've still got a little bit of nausea in the morning. So, like, I've been taking an Advil cold and sinus, and then sipping on these teas just to keep something warm in my tummy. And I just want to tell y'all, they're working. Yes, I'm gaming while I'm talking to y'all, but it's just it makes me feel warm and cozy. So I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate you guys and everything you've ever said or done, or everything. I just want to say I thank you all, and I really appreciate y'all. And yeah, these teas taste amazing. Thank you. It's a little after 9, and I want to eat something. I don't know what time we're going. She hasn't called me yet or texted me yet to tell me she's awake. So who knows how long it's going to be. Now watch, I'm going to eat this, and then she's going to say, "You ready to go?" We could eat at 11 for all I know. What I have is 3 eggs and probably about a tablespoon of butter and one of the Adele's, one of those sausages. Which one do I have? Oh, andouille. There's 2 different brands. They look pretty clean to me. They have a chicken apple and an andouille. So this is the andouille sausage and 3 eggs. I'll see you next thing. We're here. Some of the stuff they have. Waiting to get eat. Keep on flowing. They have a shop too. I've been here before and shown y'all all these signs. All these big seats for lots of family. We're going to take our time and eat. I don't want a salad. I don't want a sandwich. Chicken? No. Slice of hog. You can get ham steak, barbecue pork steak, pork chops, hog jaw. I've had that before. I thought about that. All right, y'all. I'll just show you what I get when it comes. It started. They brought around fried okra. So if I can get the hamburger steak without gravy, I'll get that. And then I get 2 sides. I'm going to get coleslaw and cottage cheese. Maybe I'll get green beans and cottage cheese. Anyway, I'll see what I get. You'll see when it comes. I ate them all. Where the guy's at throwing the rolls. I see him flying. Oh, he's over there. I stepped on the roll a while ago. He's throwing them rolls around. They have a fun arcade area too. All those pictures. Look at that plane up there. I'm just trying not to get the kids. My mama used to have something like that when I was a kid. Oh, and I bet you my dad, I used to help my dad whenever he would dig at my grandpa's house. They used to plow by hand, and I remember helping my dad plant my grandpa's garden. Look at that stove. I have a cup coffee thing like that. Boy, look at that. That's thoroughly used. That's cool, square. All right, back to my table. Okay, so I got the chopped steak burger, and then I got green beans and cottage cheese. So I'm going to be quiet for the rest of this. I'll just show you all what I get when it comes. The mural up there, that's the guy who created it. And you see the little boy with the thing, rolls. This was a big part of our area. This is like when people come to town, this is where everybody wants to bring them. Okay, I don't know what these little things are, but they're like built into the table, I guess. But okay, bye. All right, so there is my chopped steak. Oh, hang on. All right, so he's coming around with the pass around. So it's fried potatoes and my burger and green beans and cottage cheese. And I said I need a spoon. So this is how it's looking. All right, honey and sorghum, and that's a roll. All right, I ate a roll, and I ate that much of that. I threw down on that burger, and I had, oh, you saw the okra, and I'm getting some more taters, and I'm going to get another roll. All right, bye. Okay, this one has sorghum and apple butter. We told him we're waiting on the potatoes. Look at that big old plate. We're not eating it all, but she can take it home to her husband. They also gave us a bunch of those tomato noodles, and I did have some potatoes, and I'm gonna eat this. So yeah, y'all know I'm gonna feel like poop tomorrow. But happy birthday to Terri. She told him it was my birthday. So look, I get a free 20-ounce mug. So I'm gonna take back there, and I'll get a 20-ounce mug. Ooh, pecan pumpkin butter, that's good. And then the shot.
I just have to look. I can't leave it out. Gotta look.
Ooh. Hey, they have goat milk here. All right, we'll go see what my mug is. Slingshots. I have one of those. That's what we drink out of.
Was it?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. Oh.
20-ounce mug, yeah.
Yeah, I guess it is. I'll get a pink one. I guess that's what I get. I have one of these coffee ones. They're not very practical. I also have this big one right there that's 34 ounce. Hot buns. All right, y'all. See you later.
Been
Got this for
without
free
my
for my
iPad.
birthday. Woo, doggies, I am back in my car. Oh my. But here, let me show you my mug. Look at that. Ain't that cute? It's pink. It's got a little bit of I think it's a little bit of camo, I think. It's got a little camo look, but you can see the little man. He's throwing a roll. And it says, "Heads up, Lambert's, home of the throwed rolls." And it's got their locations on it. So that's what I got. Because it was my birthday. My birthday. Yeah, I'm going to say it 11 times in this video. And you're going to like it. Anyway, it was good. I ate way too much. Please know that. That is not a habit that I plan on getting back into. But come on, Carn Flabbit, it's my birthday now. I got to do something special. I did not even, they came around with desserts. I did not. So, let's have a recap. 3 rolls. I had another one after we talked. I had 3 rolls. And I had half a thing of green beans, half a thing of cottage cheese, a whole beef steak, ground steak burger thing with onions, mushrooms, and peppers on top. The potatoes, fried potatoes, way too many helpings of that. Some fried okra. I had a bite of the tomato macaroni. It's not good. I didn't like it anyway. No black-eyed peas. I think that's all I had. As if, I had that sorghum. And I had some honey. So it's 3:15 and I'm heading home. And I will see you guys later. I'm going to go home and just spend the rest of the evening. Oh, I bet Baxter's probably hungry. He thinks he has to eat as soon as it's 2 o'clock. Anyway, so, yeah, I'll probably just have a creamy for supper if I even have that. But I'll update you later on whatever it is I do. Hey there, I'm home. Give you one guess, I've got some food over here. So, where's my spoon? So, I'm ending the night with 3 eggs and 2 brats. Why? I had all that food because it was a lot of carbs, and I feel like I'd like to add a little bit more animal foods to maybe help keep me from having a drop or something in the middle of the night, a carb drop. So, will it work? In my head, I feel like maybe it'll work. So don't worry, they'll be getting. I saved them a bite of the brat this morning, so they'll get some. They'll get some after I'm done. This morning I used cheese. This time I did not. So it's just eggs and brats, and like I said, I just feel like it's what I need. So I'm gonna have this. I gotta hurry, my bestie's on the phone. And then I'm having this keto chow. I think it's strawberry. All right, that's what I got. See you tomorrow. Bye. Happy birthday to me.